Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 18th of April. And today was a very interesting day. Zero news on the day. We had crude oil inventories come out at 10:30, but besides that, it was a nothing news day. The market's gapped down a little bit, and it did move right back up, and only to sell down and buy up again. Very, very sideways market, and we tried to play it a little conservative, but we did come out with a pretty good gain at the end of the day. We had 3 trades today, all of them successful. Maximum profit potential we were working in was 4.5 points or 18 ticks. Actual trades, entries, and exits called out, we made 6 points or 24 ticks. So definitely a pretty good day all in all. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade, and it's definitely a lot of fun. Sometimes it's a little more challenging than other times, but it's still fun. I have a lot of fun trading it, and it's probably why it's my favorite. It's just, I think it's the most fun. But I show my charts during the day, talk about levels that I'm looking at to enter or exit, depending on if I'm going to trade or not. And then at the end of the day, I talk about what I'm seeing going forward, what I'm looking for, what I think is going to happen. Sometimes it's just the day, other times it's the next couple weeks, maybe months, depending on what I'm seeing in the markets. But it's definitely a lot of fun, and it's pretty cool to be able to trade in front of people. It definitely keeps me on top of my game. If I was trading by myself, I might be able to do some stupid mistakes. But when I have people watching me, it definitely raises the level of competition inside myself. But it's a lot of fun being able to talk about different things. Whether it's dissecting a Bernanke report or whatever, as far as looking for the next couple weeks or something like that, or just talking about levels and where I'm looking at to place a day trade. But it's definitely a lot of fun, and I keep the emails coming, guys. I've been getting a lot of emails. It's been awesome, being able to talk to other people, make some friends, whether you become a client or not, you make a friend, that's even better. So if you have any questions, comments, feedback, suggestions, upper right hand side of the website I have a contact form, so take advantage of that. I also have a getting started page on the right hand side of the menu bar on the top. I have some articles down there, I have some videos, stuff like that, so check that out as well. And let's look at the news for tomorrow. Tomorrow, Spain's obviously going to be in the picture. There's a 10-year bond auction over in Europe. At 8:30 in the morning tomorrow, we do have unemployment claims. We're looking for 370. Prior reading was 380. And remember that 380 was a major disappointment. Also, 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales. Looking for 4.62 million. Prior reading was 4.59. And 10 o'clock, also, we have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index looking for 12.1. Prior reading was 12.5. Also, we have the CB Leading Index looking for 0.2%. Prior reading was 0.7. And 10:30, we have natural gas storage looking for 10 billion. Prior reading was 8 billion. And that's the news for tomorrow. Obviously, unemployment claims going to weigh heavily before the market opens. And then looking for existing home sales in the Philly Fed to start today. At 10 o'clock. So looking for that. With that, everybody, if you do enjoy this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the markets tomorrow. Thanks.